Quickstart UV Mapping, cleaning up. You might want to rearrange some UV parts or rotate them because they point into the wrong direction. First, let's add a texture to check what we have done here. This texture will be temporary since we have no material assigned yet. Switch to BI render. Down here, the viewport shading mode to texture. Now go into the sidebar of the 3D view and open the shading tab. Switch to multi-texture, tick shadeless. Now we open the texture. And now we can display the texture here at our mesh. You could also display a checker texture here. Open up the sidebar in the UV editor. And when you switch to generated, then you have a checker texture here. This is useful for organic meshes to check the distortion. You can also use a color grid or a blank image. Let's reload our texture. We will work with the texture here. There are parts that needs to be rotated. As you can see, the direction of the texture is wrong here at the table plate. This can be done by ticking UV selection and display mode islands. Now you can select whole UV patches. To rotate the UV patches, it is like in the 3D view. Shortcut E for rotate. And then type in the amount. E 90 degrees. And now the texture here points into the right direction. Repeat this with the other trouble parts. Whoops, this was the wrong. Undo. Here we are. And I think there must be one patch left. Here we are. Go away here. This one. Okay, select all. We need the whole patch. Again, E 90 degrees. Now select everything. And we use pack islands again. You will note that the textures, or at least some of the textures, rotates back into a wrong position. Untick rotate. Save the result.